Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Postgresql with Dbeaver. Open Dbeaver, choose Database then New Database Connection, and pick Postgresql. Enter host, port, database, username, and password. Test the connection and save the configuration. I'll explain driver options, SSL choices, and common errors so you can connect reliably and start querying right away. I'll walk you through selecting and configuring the right driver in Dbeaver for PostgreSQL. Use the built-in driver manager to download the latest JDBC driver if needed. Adjust SSL mode and authentication method to match your server, and tweak timeout and pooling settings for stability. These small changes help avoid errors and speed up your daily queries with a smoother connection experience. If you hit problems, start with clear diagnostics. Test connectivity using PSQL or Telnet, verify credentials, and inspect server logs. For SSL errors, confirm certificate paths and modes in both client and server settings. Port blocking is common, so check firewalls and security groups. I'll also cover how to reset credentials and reconfigure PGHBA. Conf to allow trusted connections for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.